Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Jeep Patriot, Jeep Compass or Dodge Dart. What's common? 6-speed automatic transmission. If you have one of those guys and you need to replace transmission filter, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, how to get to it, what needs to be done, and common mistake people make also, guys, why you should change your transmission fluid quite often, more often than most people think. So all that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. If you need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools, supplies from, and you can save quite a bit of money as well. So looking at it right here, guys, this is the transmission, and believe it or not, this is actually Hyundai transmission being used in Dodge and Jeep vehicles. The world is a complicated thing nowadays, guys. For instance, one company makes the transmission, another company can make the engine, they share drivetrains, so yeah, no surprise. The Dodge Jeep transmission, it's called 6F24, the Hyundai is called A6MF1. So looking at it, guys, we removed the oil pan. First we drain the oil, remove the oil pan, remove the valve body, transmission valve body. But before we continue with the filter, let me show you how nasty that fluid is. You can see the swirls inside. This is, guys, material actually from the clutches, because you have some wear on the transmission, and if you guys don't change your transmission fluid quite often, that dust deposit will actually, clutch dust will deposit in the shifter solenoids, the valve body, and that can actually damage your transmission. Another thing, check out the video that explains how often to change the transmission fluid on Jeep Compass, Patriot, and Dodge Dart as well. And always use original fluid, and make sure you check the fluid level correctly when you add fluid. And once you remove, guys, all that stuff, if you want to see the video, we have a video how to replace transmission valve body on Jeep, Dodge, guys. Once you do that, right there on the bottom, that's your transmission filter, oil filter right here. Now, bad news, that filter cannot come out. Looking at it, guys, in an angle right there, there is two bolts actually, one there, and it does not come out. So how it comes out? Complicated. You need to remove the transmission practically from the engine, remove the bell housing right here. The two needs to come apart, and then you will be able to remove the two bolts and slide the filter out. So that's non-replaceable filter unless you're rebuilding practically the whole transmission. That's another reason why you should change your fluid more often. So actually, because when you change it and when you remove the drain plug, you have quite a bit of material stuck to it as well from the clutches and stuff, so you can clean it as well, and that's not circulating in the transmission. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.